my channel. I ain't seen y'all in forever. I feel like I ain't seen y'all in forever. Let me situate my camera because I'm finna unbox my Be Happy box. And I'm gonna show it to y'all. Let's see if I can get it in the camera. It's here. My Be Happy box. All the stuff gonna fall out. See that? That is my Be Happy box. I'm gonna open it with y'all on the camera. I'm gonna set it here next to me so y'all can see what's in it. This paper that is in is gorgeous. So first I see this says the Happy Planner and Teresa Collins. You are magic. Here's all the things you need to shine bright this year. All of these designs are exclusive to the Be Happy box. You get 20 classic filler sheets, 1 guided journal, 1 punch envelope, a mug, 30 sheet sticker book, 32 puffy stickers, 52 sheet paper pad, and 3 rolls of washi. Oh, and some cling stickers. All of that in this box. So the first thing I see in here is a pouch. Did I name the pouch? No, Lakini, you didn't even name the pouch. So this is the Make Your Dreams Happen pouch. Got a gold zip. Nice on the inside. Leather feel. Very well made. Texture is good. Got that. 3 rolls of washi. One says, I am enough. And the other one says, be brave, be you, be bold. And the other one is just like floral with gold specks. See that? So you got that. Then you got a punched planner pocket. That's real pretty. Teresa Collins stuff is, I love her, how she designs stuff. Just like the Simply Gilded washi, the collab she did with Simply Gilded was really pretty. So this is the puff stickers. It says Girl with Goals 24/7, Boss Babe, Fabulous, Make Today Count. What does this one say? Mind over matter. Put your heart into it. Dream big and often. Get it done. 365. Good vibes. Focus. Do it. Hello. Love. Choose to be grateful. Just some really cool sayings. And they're puffy stickers. Then we got this Be Happy sticker book, which I'll probably do a separate flip through. And this is some of the designs that's in there. Whole 30-page sticker book. Then we got some Get It Done notes, goals, things to do, notes, and then the week of on this side. That's cute. Then there's punch pages. The today with the timestamp, main focus, to do, and grateful for. I think there's 20 sheets of that. Then there's a whole gratitude journal. Stay focused and extra sparkly. That's the gratitude journal. Probably do a separate flip through of that when I do the flip through of the planner, the stickers. It says, I am enough. Be you, not them. Don't just wake up and think about the woman you want to become. Wake up and be her. And then, last but not least, this is a reminder that you can handle whatever this week throws at you. And it's printed on both sides, and it has a black handle, and inside of the cup is pink. That is really nice. So all this was in the Be Happy box. Is there anything in here? Nope. I ordered this box on Tuesday. I got a shipping confirmation, I think the same day, and it arrived here on was it yesterday? Yesterday. Yeah, it came yesterday. So they shipped it within the week. It was fast. It was not playing with the shipping on this. So this paper on here is so pretty. It's got sayings on it, and I was thinking I was going to save it and use it for something. It says, stay focused and extra sparkly. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Be you, not them. I am enough. The secret to having it all is knowing you already do. Make life wonderful. Just got all these different nice sayings on it, and that paper is so pretty. So guys, that is my Be Happy box that I was happy to share with you all. Putting all my stuff back in here. Keep it nice in the box. Stickers. Pocket. Washi. All this comes in this box. I ordered it when it was $49 and 20% off. So with shipping, it was like $47. And just the sticker book in there is, just the sticker book is, $20. But we get it with a coupon, but still, I'm just saying it was worth it. So guys, thank you all for watching. And I hope you had a great weekend. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.